Looking to upgrade your car stereo without losing that crisp JBL sound? The Metra factory amplifier interface harness is designed to plug right in behind your radio, keeping your factory amplifier intact. It's the perfect solution if you want to enjoy the benefits of an aftermarket radio while retaining your original audio quality. I've been there, buying the wrong harness multiple times and getting frustrated. But when I finally got the Metra harness, everything clicked. It worked flawlessly with my aftermarket Pioneer unit from Amazon, connecting through the RCA outputs for low-level inputs. The 20-pin connector fit perfectly, making installation straightforward. While the instructions were a bit vague, they weren't a dead end. Just be sure to double-check your part numbers since some look very similar but fit different setups. Metra's harness saved me time and money, and their quality is clear. If you're ready to upgrade your stereo without sacrificing the factory amplifier or sound quality, this harness is worth a look. It's affordable, reliable, and designed to make installation hassle-free. Try it when you're ready to keep your JBL components sounding great with a fresh new head unit.